Alright, Tony, so I have this, the machine's on here. All I did is just connect it up to the power, turn on the power strip, and it's ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to jump in here and change over the power cords, or I'm sorry, the signal cords, so you can check out your how to get your HDMI out and how to get this different things on the screen. So to change, this is your signal screen monitor wire. All you got to do is unplug this, move it on over, and plug it into here. And all you got to do is unplug this guy and plug it in its place. This wire is the signal that goes out to your HDMI out. So all you're doing is unplugging this so you can plug in the TV monitor. So the TV monitor is just this guy. Just come around and plug it right in, boom, right where this guy's at. You just unplug this and just leave it hanging here. It's zip tied up, so it won't do anything. It won't go anywhere. And as for your headphone jacks, you have this is your headphone jack here. Your headphone jack wire out of the 16-in-1 game board. It's coming down. And I left it here, a little kind of spooled up here so you can see it. And so you're gonna be taking this guy, and you're gonna be taking this guy here. It's plugged into your HDMI thing. You could unplug it from here and plug both of both this wire and this wire into your adapter, and then plug that into your surround sound. Now you were asking about the HDMI input. Your HDMI is this guy, the black and blue wire here. So all you got to do is unplug that and plug in your signal wire for your HDMI. That's where it's going to go in. This is your signal out. So your wire goes from there, comes out, and goes up, and it's spooled up here. This is the one. This is your mount for your your HDMI out to the TV. So that's all you all really need to know about that guy. And you have your audio here. Obviously you're not going to be using this if you got your surround sound going. And if you do have to use a ribbon cable to brighten up the monitor or something, all you got to do is turn on the number 4 dip switch on this guy. It's a switch all the way to the left. So we get it sharper. There it is, out of focus. The number 4 here, it's upside down, but the one all the way to the left, you got to flick it down. That'll enable your controller, and you can use the adjust to and go into your slider options and brighten up your contrast or your gamma, change all the stuff up. And when you're done, all you got to do is go up there and turn it off again. And you can do all this while the machine is on. So that's cool. Hopefully that kind of helps you out. To turn off the machine and turn on the machine, you're going to want to you can do an easy turn off and on, or you can just you could do one other thing here. So I'm going to do this pretty quick. We have a little bit of a issue here. I'm just going to plug in the HDMI wire. Plug in the HDMI, and I'll turn this guy on real quick so you see what I'm talking about. Oh, in the meantime, you got Donkey Kong playing over here. The preview option. So while you're playing the 17,001, you have the HDMI out. You'll always have something on the TV, which is kind of cool, on the monitor itself here. All right, so we got this guy up. You'll see that we have, it says shut down run before power. So all we got to do is go there. I think I showed you that before, but I can show you how to do that. Go to there and you push the start button on your control panel, and it'll say in the middle of the screen that it's shutting down. Shut down run before power off. And that's going to be turning off your entire system. As you can see, Donkey Kong just turned off, but the monitor is still on. So everything's still on and inside that's powered up directly, like the power strip. And the monitor's hooked into the power strip, so that's cool. But your power supply has been switched off by the main PCB board. So everything's off, but you're still going to want to go back to your power strip. Think of this as your power strip, and just turn it off. And that'll be your safe mode, safest way to turn off your machine, so we're not doing a hard off on the game board. You don't want to be, you don't have to be turning it off like this, but it's what will keep your system running for a longer time with minimal problems. So that's the idea. You don't want it to crash or mess up on you. But again, if you absolutely have to, you could just hit the switch and turn it off and not worry about hooking anything up or whatever. So yeah, man, I think that should be it. It should be good. If you have any other questions, let me know. We're here to answer any questions you may have. So hopefully you like it, and just get a lot of gaming out of this guy. This thing's amazing. Thanks again.